Hi, I'm Shane.
I'm Kelsey.
And this is Dixie, and we're Love Hut for Life. We've been on the road now for 94 weeks in our self-built sliding camper. And this week, we're hanging out in Alabama.
That's right, guys. We are super excited to be back in Shane's hometown getting a whole lot of work done. We've had an awesome week. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure and hit that thumbs up and subscribe button and comment below to let us know what you think. When we left you last week, we were hanging out in the Cherokee National Forest, doing a little bit of relaxing and exploring after a month of building in Tennessee.
This week, we're headed home to Alabama, but first, we had a few detours to make on the way.
Alright, y'all, we are on our way to Alabama, but we stopped in Chattanooga because we happen to know that just past that bridge up there is the best barbecue in the country. But unfortunately, that sign says 10-4. We definitely can't make that bridge.
It's gonna be quite a pain to get around that bridge. We'll see. What you got there, Kelsey?
We had to go all the way to Georgia to get around that bridge, but totally worth it. Hillbilly Willie's still the best barbecue in America.
This dog thinks she's gonna... Oh, she did get some. Look at that.
I think Dixie agrees.
It took us all day, but we finally made it home to park in my Meemaw's driveway for the night. What's in that box, Kelsey?
My ukulele.
You got a new one?
Yeah.
Oh.
So my other one broke and I was very, very sad, but when I contacted Luna, they said that they would just send me this one instead. Oh, nice. Look at the moon phases.
What you gonna do when you're over?
Very out of tune.
Hey, we're in Alabama in late summer. You know what that means? Thunderstorms every day. Every day. Always thunder. At least it's green though, huh? You wanna blow? Good job, puppy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Come on, Kelsey.
Shane. Happy birthday to you.
When was my birthday? Like 2 weeks ago?
Dixie, look, it's your long lost friend Adzo. Y'all aren't too sure about each other right now, huh? I think Adzo missed you.
Yeah, he's checking him out. So familiar. You got it now. He was right there on the hack on the doorstep when I left. When I went to the house. You gonna kill him?
I'm trying.
Okay, baby, don't fuss
He's
at
gone
him.
like a fart in the wind now.
Sound like a who? Farting woman. Did he say I sound like a farting woman?
Yeah, Shane.
I'm putting a wax ring on a toilet. I don't like this job.
Gross.
Yeah, I'd rather build buses.
Being a good son, though. Welcome home.
Welcome home.
We moved the truck 2 houses up to a spot that should be very familiar to anyone who's been watching us for a while. We spent 3 months or close to it in this spot last summer. This will be a much, much shorter stay, guys.
Still building stuff though.
Our slide broke, and the only way to fix it without tearing up the floor is for me to climb all the way to the back of this.
She's gonna fit. It's gonna work. Are you ready?
I guess.
Let's go. Get
I
in.
already checked it for spiders. I
Try to
think
get
we're
in.
good. I'm gonna need your help. You're gonna have to push me.
All right, y'all stay tuned. All right, guys, we got her in there. Let's see if we can get this fixed, Kelsey.
All right, let's go again.
She fixed it. Ain't that fancy? And then I finally got around to installing this diesel heater we've been hauling around for months.
And before long, Adzo came for a visit.
I needed some supplies for my next job, so that meant going into the bustling town of Warrior and also picking up dinner for the family.
I was really excited to show Shane's Meemaw and Mom all of the jewelry that I've been working on and let them pick out a piece of their own. Then it was time to go and visit Adzo's kittens. Good morning, Adzo.
She's so big.
Is your friend here? Do you want to come out and see her?
It's spark plug time. So we have been experiencing a decrease in fuel economy, which is kind of bad for this big truck. So the best thing I can do currently is do a spark plug change. This is a new one. These are old ones. They're fouled out and the gapping is wrong on them, so that's causing a bad spark. It's time to replace all of these. In order to do that on this model truck, you have to take the wheel off. Isn't that fun?
Dixie, I really don't like you laying under there while it's on jacks. Come here. All done?
No. I got 7 of 8. But this is the only one of these I had with me, so it's broken and I can't put them in without one of these rotating joints for my ratchet. So back to the hardware parts store in the morning. Before it's melting. You know, this whole having a car to go get things is something I could get used to. Hopefully this one won't break like the last one did. It's incredible what a tiny tool can do to a project.
Well, it's raining pretty hard now, and we're close to being able to get back in our house. Almost done?
I'm gonna get wet.
I think we're all getting wet.
Rain. So Alabama.
Dixie, who's in that van? You don't know that van. Who is it?
Buongiorno!
Hey!
Hello! If you've been following the Love Hut for a while, then you know that Mary is no stranger, and we were really excited that she stopped in to see us with her brand new van. Shane was going to help her get all of her solar set up so that she could have lights.
Mary pre-ordered all of her components and showed up with a big pile of goodies. That included a 3,000 watt pure sine inverter, a Victron controller, and a bunch of wire and connectors. I spent the rest of the day installing this system while my family stopped by to meet another van friend.
This gave me the opportunity to give the inside of the truck a much needed bath. First time in about 40,000 miles.
Boy, has it been a fun and productive week. A little wet too, not gonna lie. I'm really happy to be home and I'm excited about all of the progress we've made this week. And I would also like to take a minute to thank each and every one of you for following us along. If you're new to our channel, welcome.
That's right, guys. If you are new, be sure and hit that subscribe button because each and every one of you are really important to us and we appreciate all of you. If you haven't already done so, be sure and check out our other social media pages as well, such as Facebook and Instagram. And we will see you every Sunday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Hit that subscribe button. Peace out.
Bye, y'all.